Hello students. Now let me explain the Python program to compute the Hmac value from a given message and a given key value. If you do not have the Python editor, then go to PyCharm, go to the PyCharm and download the community edition. This community edition you can use for the as a Python IDE. Already I have downloaded. Okay, so I open the IDE now. Okay, so this is the Python IDE. When you open the Python IDE, it would ask you the project name and the location where this file has to be stored. So you select the location. So this is the IDE where you can enter the Python program. So I shall go to the presentation mode, but when you do in your system, no need to go into the presentation mode. So this program I am going to show how we can compute the Hmac value. For that we need a package called Hmac and another package called hashlib. And you know the Hmac function accepts the input message as well as a key to calculate the Hmac value. So we are going to give a key value. Okay, so we give some key value just for understanding purpose, but it should be complex, and I print the key value. So now it's just printing the key value. Now we need a message that would be converted into a hash value. Okay. So let's say this is a plain data or the message that we want to convert into a hash value. So I just print the So it is we are assigning a key value and printing the key value, and also we are assigning a message and printing that. Then we have to encode the key. Okay, the key is in the plain text format. We have to encode that. So basically so we have given the key already here, just encoding the key. Let's say print So now we have converted the key from string to byte type. Next let us declare a Hmac object and pass the argument values. So argument values are decoded key, then the data or the message, and the name of the function which we are going to use for the going to use for hashing. So Hmac 1, so we want this we want to calculate the Mac value. Let's keep the object name as Hmac. So we want to calculate Hmac. Okay, this new is the function. So basically you can see new is the function. It is asking the key value as the argument, then the message and the digest mode. So what kind of algorithm we are going to use? So key, basically encoded key, and we have to give the message, but we have to encode the message in this format, UTF-8, this format. If suppose we give only the message, and if we are not encoding the message, then we will get error. Okay, so in order to avoid that, so always please encode the message. Then we have to give the hash lib dot what algorithm we are going to use, SHA, okay, 1 or SHA-512, it's up to you. Okay. Next one, let's declare an object. So we have the Hmac 1 object, In that we will call method digest. So this digest method would has the input key in the encoded format. It has the message already in the encoded format. It has the algorithm which it has to use. So now it would convert the message into the message Hmac value, message authentication code. Then we shall print so basically this is the key value what we have given, and this is the message. Just a minute. So key value is this, then this is the message, and this is the encoded key basically, and after converting the message we print the message we print the message digest. So this is the actually Hmac value, this is the authentication code. Okay, so this is not reversible, that is it is one way. So from the message we have computed this hash value, and from Hmac value, from this Hmac value we cannot get back the message. Okay, so so this is the explanation for the Hmac. And one more function is there, let me explain that. If you want to display the Hmac value in the hexadecimal format, so what we can do is digest value 1. So now let's say digest value 2 Hmac 1 dot hex digest, then print digest value in hexadecimal format. Digest value 2. So let me run this. There is some error. Digest value is not defined. Yeah. Digest value 2 is not defined. Okay, here. So you can see here. So the Hmac value is in hexadecimal format, and now actually each and every algorithm, hashing algorithm, takes the input length of any arbitrary size, but the output is of fixed size. So let's explore that fact. Size of the SHA-1 size of the Hmac value eight multiplied by Hmac object, then you can see this one digest size, so we call that, so it is of 160 bits, so it is of 160 bits. If you want to change the algorithm, so here you can go to SHA-512 and run, and you know in SHA-512 if you use the Hmac value would be of size 512 bits. You can see the Hmac value, it is in hexadecimal format. Okay, the size in binary format is 512 bits. 512 bits. So if you convert this into binary format, it would be of 512 bits. So this is how we calculate the Hmac value in the using the Python. Suppose you want to change to 256, you can do that. Clear? So this is what I want to explain about the the way to calculate the Hmac value using Python APIs. Thank you very much.